Sit down. You have carried enough today. In here, in this cabin, you do not have to be strong anymore. Close the door. Let the lock be the end of the world out there. No one can reach you now. No one needs anything from you. Just breathe. The rain is starting to get heavy. I can see the water racing down the side window. Fast at first, then slowing down until it disappears into the dark. The windshield is becoming a blur of red and white lights from the city. But they are far away. They cannot touch us here. Inside, it is just us. This car is a small island in the middle of a storm.